Hey, I'm Brian Van.
I'm Max Van.
Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars AST Air V2 textile jacket. Okay, the AST Air V2 retails for $209.95 as of the time we're shooting this video. Please understand, we only update videos when the product is redesigned, not when the price changes. Sizing, I think, is one of the most important things that we can do for you. How tall are you? What do you weigh, buddy?
So I am, I will say 5'11" and 1/4, and I'm 152 pounds. No, it's a size small. It fits great. You know, snug in the shoulders, kind of where I like it. Kind of tighter in the arms and the forearms near the elbow, but I mean, again, that's kind of how I like my stuff to fit. So personally, with me, I think this is a perfect fit.
Give them a nice quick 360.
So
this is without any chest or back protection. When we come back, we're going to have that in the jacket and give you another look at the fit. Okay, and then the reason we're doing this is the jackets come with pockets to accept protection, but they don't include any of the protection in the chest or the back. This is what the coat would fit Max like, same size small, with the Nucleon Flex Pro chest inserts as well as the Nucleon Cell back insert. Same coat, slightly different look, and now the level of protection that it offers, right, is increased exponentially. This jacket comes from the factory with their Nucleon Flex armor in the shoulders, as well as the elbows and forearms. It's CE Level 1 certified. We're going to show it to you in the second part of this video. It's unbelievably moldable, flexible, and comfortable. We have had sometimes some people, well, how come not Level 2? I have to tell you this. Level 1 was used for decades. Super protective. Even in a lot of the race suits that he's still riding in, they're still using Level 1 armor in that. Have you ever crashed in one of those?
yeah,
How did it work?
we're perfect. Still beautiful. Always will be.
Well, that part's debatable. The fact that you came away protected and unscathed,
And beautiful.
that is, I'm not going to talk about that anymore. So, if you prefer Level 2 stuff, there are some different jackets that are out there with it, but my honest estimation is go with what's the most comfortable, and that's really what this Nucleon Flex armor is. Because if you're not comfortable in it, you're not going to be happy.
For sure. And with the inserts in the back and the chest, it honestly feels more filled out. So I mean, it kind of feels like more of a race fitting jacket, which is what I like personally. I feel like that's what most of you guys are gonna like out there also. So I think adding,
and you're protected.
Adding the inserts is gonna add the protection and gonna be a good option for you no matter what.
So features and benefits, the rest of the jacket. This is a high airflow textile jacket, full mesh panel up here in the front. We've got two zippered storage pockets on either side, hand warmer style, and you can see those are reasonably sized pockets. I mean, I wear a 2X glove. I can get my hand in there, no problemo. Volume adjustment here at the waist. You can see that he would need to use that a little bit on both sides.
You also have it here in the bicep area, and then of course you have it by the wrist. So
adjust the cuff.
Yep.
There are little shoulder armor pieces stitched in underneath another layer of abrasion resistant textile that is in addition to the Nucleon Flex armor that's underneath that, so it bolsters the protection in that area. All your logoing here is embroidered, which is a nice touch because it lasts forever.
Yep. Back
of the coat, embroidered logo, large mesh panel. In all the impact zones, you've got abrasion resistant 600D fabric. You got motion panels here in the elbow, reflective panels here that span from the elbow to the forearm. It's great for night riding. A couple little reflective patches there. This jacket is also optimized to be used with their Alpinestars Tech Air 5 Air Vest. So if instead of using the inserts on the jacket, you want to take it to the next level, and honestly, the airbag is where it's at, 100%.
Without a doubt.
Without a doubt. How many times you deployed now?
Around 15 or so.
And it's worked like a charm every single time. Thank you very much. So this jacket is also optimized for that. So you can kind of pick your direction with your protection. If you like what you see and you want a little bit more information, stay tuned for the second part. I'm going to take this jacket off and take it apart, and I'm going to give you a closer look from the inside out. All right, here we go. The AS2 V2 jacket from the inside out. CE certified Nucleon Flex armor. Here's your shoulder profile. Here is the one in your elbow and forearm. As previously stated, you want to add armor in the chest or the back. You're going to find that in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. It is all sold separately, and in a second, I'm going to show you how to install it. Shell of the jacket itself. Give you another recap here. Large mesh panel there, high airflow. Reflective screen printing used on both sides, right around the shoulder blade area. Volume adjustment is found here at the waist with Velcro, Textile, and a D-ring. Little motion fabric used here. This jacket is optimized for Tech Air 5 vest use, if you so want to do that. Like this embroidered logo there, embroidered logo on the shoulder, a little protective insert on top of the armor that goes underneath to really bolster protection in that area. Reflective insert here, motion panel in the elbow, embroidered logo across the forearm. Volume adjustment here at the cuff. Volume adjustment here at upper arm area. Front of the coat, got a large mesh panel, reflective insert, split by the zipper, embroidered logo. Yay, I can do it. It only took 3 tries. 2 zippered hand warmer style storage pockets on both sides. Got your little Tech Air Ready logo there. We come inside the coat, got a nice comfortable mesh liner, comfort lined collar, zippered storage pocket with a waterproof membrane over it to help. You say you put your smartphone or something in there, you're out riding, you get caught in a little bit of rain, it's going to help to keep that thing safe. Another storage pocket here on the inside. It's got a little Velcro closure on the top. You'll find a mirror image of that over on the right side. If you want to install the chest armor and or the back insert, which we highly recommend, there is an access pocket down here at the bottom of the jacket. You simply zip that open, slide your hands inside. You're going to find your back protector pocket here. Either side of the chest, you're going to find the chest protector pockets. Very easy to do. That is also how you gain access to the shoulder and elbow armor if you decide to take that out. Here at the base of the jacket, there are 2 loops. If you're wearing a belt on your pants and you want to help keep the jacket down when you're in that riding position, you simply unsnap these, you feed them through your belt, reconnect it, and it's going to help keep that overlapping at all times. All in all, what do I think? This is a great mesh jacket, man. They did a nice job on it. A lot of mesh, good, clean Alpinestars styling. I like the armor that comes with it. It's protective. It's very comfortable. Once again, we recommend adding chest or back if you're not going to be using the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 airbag vest. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.